Hey there! I'm Kira from Trading Replay Tool. Let's dive right in. After successfully installing the extension, head over to the extension icon on your taskbar. Then, simply click on it and pin the Trading Replay Tool extension for easy access and use. Next, to access the features of the Trading Replay Tool, simply click on the extension icon. This will open up the pop-up window, where you can start exploring the various functionalities and tools offered by the extension. First, let's navigate to the Choose Session tab. This tab is where you can manage your strategies, sessions, and rule tags. Here, you can create, edit, or delete strategies and sessions to tailor your trading experience. Alternatively, you can enable the option to add history data files of trades from XNS, MT4, or MT5 brokers, analyze the performance of real account trades. In the paid version, you have the ability to create tags that align with your trading rules. To do this, simply click on Add List Tag. Let's say you prefer using the price action strategy and analyze 3 time frames to find entry prices. Input the name of the list tag, such as Price Action Tags Rule. Then, add tags. Each tag should be separated by a comma. For instance, you might input tags like H4 up, H4 down, H1 up, H1 down, M15 up, M15 down to represent your analysis across different time frames. This feature helps you categorize your trades based on your specific trading strategy for better analysis and statistics. Secondly, you're going to add a strategy before creating any sessions. Let's call it price action. Next, you have to choose the currency you want to use, for example, the United States dollar, pound, etc. You can also add a description for your strategy if you'd like, though it's optional. Once you've filled in the necessary details, simply click the Save button to confirm. Thirdly, you're going to create a session. First, select the strategy option name from the list. You can also add a description, although it's optional. Enter the starting account balance, for instance, $100,000. Choose the type of trade, whether it's coin/forex or stock. Select the default list tags, and finally, enter the downloaded location folder where you save the images. Click the Create Session button to confirm. If you're unsure about the downloaded folder link, you can find it by going to Chrome//settings/downloads to copy that. Open the pop-up again. Hit the button and is using row on the session table to gain access to the session and start the backtest. After reloading, click on Pop-Out button to pop out the window for easy controlling. Double-click for full screen window. Choose Moon icon to change background color to dark mode. After successfully choosing the session, navigate to the TradingView website. Currently, our extension only supports the English version of TradingView, such as tradingview.com or in.tradingview.com. Okay, let's get to the backtesting process. Create a long position. What do you think? Are we going to hit the TP? Let's see. Yes! TP hit! After the deal reaches take profit or stop loss, double-click on the deal to edit the parameters to match your deal. Scroll down and choose the rule tags that match. You can change the tag list by choosing another option from the list. In this example deal, let's say I choose the 3 time frame all uptrend. Alright. Now, let's check the open time and close time of the deal and set the values to match. It's crucial that these times accurately reflect when the deal was opened and closed, as it directly affects the duration the deal was held. Adjust the values accordingly to ensure accurate data analysis. We'll strive to implement a feature to automate this process in the next version upgrade. If needed, add a note to provide additional context or details about the deal. Furthermore, choose the session time when the deal was opened. This session is automatically calculated based on the open time value. Finally, click on Win, Loss or Draw button. After that, open your extension pop-up. All data of your deals is updated on the table, right? In this table, you can see all the information you need, and it automatically calculates the risk-reward and profit of the deal. Additionally, it autosaves an image of the deal. By clicking the Open button, the image of the deal is displayed, allowing you to zoom in or zoom out as needed. If you want to edit a deal, simply click on the pencil button of the deal. From there, you can edit details about the opening and closing time, session, tags, and notes of the deal. Click on the Analytic dashboard to access all visual charts, tools, and statistics of your deal's data. At the top, we have the Tool section, which we'll discuss later. Then, you'll find the Profit and Loss section, containing charts and overview information such as profit and loss, win rate, total trades, and the trading rate. Secondly, you have Advanced Analytics with detailed information like average risk-reward, average or best win streaks, loss streaks, and much more, along with charts for visualization. Thirdly, if you are trading in multiple timeframes and multiple pairs, you can see your performance for each of them here. Next, you have a calendar of your trading, showing you the total trades and risk-reward of each day. If you are using the paid version, you can click on a day/month of the calendar to see details of all deals on that day/month. Finally, you can analyze the performance of each hour of the day, each day of week, and each month of year. Now, let's go back and explore the Tool section. You'll find a select list with two options. Currently the Open Time option is Choose, that means all data analysis of this tab is based on open time. Conversely, if you select Create a Time, it will analyze data based on the time of your backtest. And here, if you want to convert it to profit and loss instead of risk-reward, simply choose the P&L Display checkbox. This will allow you to see the result in terms of profit and loss. If you need to filter data with specific rules, simply click on the Filter Data button in this tool section. Choose the type of data you want to filter, such as time range, chart ticker, time frame, session time range, etc. For example, in List Session Data, choose only London Session and London and New York Session. Lastly, click on Filter. This will enable you to filter and view all deals that match the selected data options. Did you know that you can have multiple sessions with the same strategy, each session having a different starting balance and different kinds of trades? For example, you can have a stock session with a starting balance of $80,000 and two forex sessions with starting balances of $100,000 and $200,000 respectively. But what if you want to analyze all of them together? It's simple. Just one click on Open Detail on the strategy table, and you can analyze the performance of all sessions associated with that strategy. Upon clicking, a new tab dedicated to the Analytic dashboard will be launched for strategy. This dashboard provides comprehensive insights and analysis into various aspects of your trading performance, in addition to essential metrics like profit and loss, win rate, total trades, and trading rate. Our Analytic dashboard highlights the session ID with the highest win rate. By click on this, allows traders to identify best successful session and replicate winning strategies for consistent profitability. On the tab Analytic Dashboard for Session, you'll have access to all the tables and statistical data of the session, just like on the pop-up window, but presented in one comprehensive screen. This allows for a streamlined and detailed overview of your session's performance. On the table of the Analytic dashboard for the strategy, you will have two rows. One row shows the session ID, and the other row shows the kind of trade. Did you know that this tool can analyze trading activity on your broker besides backtesting? Simply click on Add Historical Data to enable this feature. Download your trading history file from brokers like Exness, MT4, or MT5. Then, navigate to TradingView, double-click on a position, upload Excel or CSV files, hit the loading button and wait until you receive a successful notification. Return to your History Data table, where you'll find the file successfully added. By clicking on the Open Detail button, you'll gain access to comprehensive analysis results derived from the uploaded trading history file. In our upcoming upgraded version, we have plans to introduce a feature that will enable you to connect your brokerage account directly to this tool. This enhancement will provide you with real-time trading data directly from your broker, offering a seamless and efficient way to stay updated with your trading activity. Okay. That's all for the features of our tool. Let's enjoy your trading journey. Thank you and goodbye from Kira and the Trading Replay Tool team.